In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly switch dark mode on and off in Notion. Whether you prefer a softer look that's easy on the eyes or a bright, clean interface, Notion makes it simple to switch at any time. First, open Notion on your desktop. You can be on any page or workspace. The theme controls live in the same place. Once Notion is open, look to the top left corner of the window, just under your workspace name. Click Settings and Members. This opens a panel where all your app preferences are organized. In the left sidebar of that panel, find and select Appearance. This is where Notion groups everything related to how the app looks. In the main area, you'll see your theme options. Think of this as your control center for how Notion feels day to day, so it's worth knowing where it is. To turn on dark mode, choose Dark. The change happens instantly. Your pages, sidebars, and menus will switch to a darker palette, which can reduce glare and help with focus, especially at night or in low-light environments. If you spend long stretches planning, writing, or reading, this can make a noticeable difference in comfort. Want to switch back? Select Light. Notion will immediately return to the classic bright theme. This can be helpful in well-lit offices or whenever colors and highlights need to stand out vividly. If you'd rather not think about toggling at all, use the option called Use System Setting. When this is selected, Notion simply follows your computer's theme. If your operating system is set to switch between light and dark automatically, Notion will match that schedule, so the app looks consistent with the rest of your desktop without you touching a thing. A quick tip. Because the theme change is instant, it's easy to try both and see what feels best for your workspace and your eyes. Also, these appearance settings affect your Notion app, not the content itself, so collaborators will keep their own preferred theme on their devices. When you're done, you can close the settings panel and get back to work. You can repeat these steps anytime you want, and the app will remember your choice the next time you open it. Quick recap. Open Notion on your desktop. Click Settings and Members under the workspace name, go to Appearance, then select Dark to turn on dark mode or light to switch back. If you prefer hands-off, choose Use System Setting, and Notion will follow your computer automatically. And if the contrast still feels too strong, consider lowering your display brightness slightly or adjusting Notion's zoom for extra comfort during long sessions. And that's how you turn dark mode on and off in Notion. Super quick and easy.